Look around. The world is alive. From the smallest microbe to the largest whale, animals fill every corner of our planet, but imagine waking up in a world with no animals. No birds, no bees, no pets, no wildlife, just humans. It sounds like science fiction, a dark fantasy. But by exploring such an impossible scenario, we can truly understand just how profoundly dependent we are on the vast, vibrant, and often unseen world of animals. What would happen to the Earth and to us? Let's find out. The first and most immediate impact would be ecological collapse. Consider the humble bee. Without insect pollinators, a staggering 75% of the world's food crops, including fruits, vegetables, and nuts, would fail within a single growing season. Imagine shelves empty of apples, coffee, chocolate. Famine would sweep the globe almost instantly. And what about waste? Carcasses, fallen leaves, decaying plant matter. Without scavengers, detritivores, and decomposers like dung beetles, vultures, and even earthworms, nutrient cycles would grind to a halt. The world would quickly become a literal graveyard. Many aquatic animals filter water, keeping our rivers and lakes clean. Without them, water sources would become increasingly contaminated and toxic. Animals are a key part of our food chain. Our primary food sources would vanish. No more meat, fish, poultry, dairy. The vast majority of our protein sources gone. We'd be left with a handful of wind-pollinated grains like corn, wheat, and pollinated grains like corn, wheat, and rice, and a few self-pollinating crops. We'd face a global food and nutrition crisis. But perhaps the most profound loss would be spiritual and psychological. Imagine a world without birdsong, without the playful antics of a squirrel, without the majestic sight of a whale, or the comforting presence of a pet. Our literature, our art, our very language is woven with references to animals. A massive part of our shared human experience, our connection to the wild, would simply vanish. Loneliness, mental health issues, and emotional stress would skyrocket. Also, say goodbye to countless medicines tested or developed using animals. Our healthcare system would take a massive hit. Animals help regulate the climate and environment. Worms fertilize soil. Whales store carbon. Birds spread seeds. Without them, ecosystems degrade, forests shrink, and climate change accelerates. Earth would become a much more hostile place to live, even for us, the last surviving species. This horrifying thought experiment isn't just about morbid curiosity. It's a stark mirror reflecting our profound interdependence. Species are disappearing at an alarming rate. Habitat loss, climate change, pollution, and overexploitation are all chipping away at the very foundations of our planet's life support systems. In short, if animals disappear, we're next. Humans can't survive on this planet alone. The lesson is clear. Every species, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, plays a vital role. Protecting animal life isn't just an act of compassion. It's an act of self-preservation. Our future is inextricably linked to the flourishing of the entire animal kingdom. So let's stop seeing animals as extras and start seeing them as essential partners in our survival. Let's ensure the Earth remains vibrant, alive, and filled with the magnificent sounds and sights of animals for generations to come. Like, share, and subscribe. Future possibilities if you care about our planet and the species we share it with.